All right, so it's here. My parts that I ordered for my 800 there, the rip boot here, and then I've got both of the pre-filters. So let's start taking this thing apart again. As we know from last time, we have to take the windshield off. There it is. Now it's a little cold, so it's a little frozen, but it's like last time. There's a clip on the back. Take that off and your instrument cluster is free. We have to loosen the boot off, even though there's not a lot holding it on at this point. And then that little breather, and it's free. It's like that. As a comparison here, here's the new one. See, it's tight. It's actually, you know, one piece. Here's the old one. Literally nothing holding this thing together. What I'm seeing is there's 4 of these Torx that need to come out. Just right at the front, there's 2 more. There's a little clip here, if you can see that, and it's got to move forward and then out to release the emblem. So that's the move. To go through, then once it's through, it should go down again and out. Now we have exposed more bolts. There. Just a little bit of fighting with it, and then you have that front plastic off. And with that off, you have access to those. Oh, call me the guessing man, I got it right. It is an 8mm. So you just have to give it a good peel. There's the old one. And I grabbed the wrong side. So, give me a second here. Here's the new one flying in. Goes on. It clips on those tops there. So you kind of got to work it around a little bit to get it in. Because it needs to go under that. In theory, this should be easy, but in execution, it's not. So you just gotta play with it, work it around, and then eventually, you'll get it. See that? That was slick. Okay, now for getting it back on. Make sure it's riding the plastic, because it's got these lines in here, right? And those have to match up perfectly with these lines. Things like Kylie Jenner are pretty ugly without the plastics, you know what I mean? So these are the broken parts. The pre-filter, I guess. Both sides, big holes in them. And they were just very thin, and see, like, look at how much pressure I'm putting on that. And it's coming apart. I'm imagining it was the sun that did it to it. Hopefully the culprit to all the issues. Our intake adapter boot. Look at that, just cobbled. So if you want a more detailed video, check out the one I did last week or 2 weeks ago, I think. It's titled Fixing My Backfiring Issue on My Sled. I go a little bit more in depth of taking all these front plastics off. But anyways, yeah, I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.